What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another unboxing. Now this one's a pretty special one. Here we have a nice little Alienware desktop with some pretty incredible specs, as you may have already seen in the title. Got my unboxing knife here, I'm gonna go at it. First cut done. I thought I could get away with 2 cuts, but apparently not. As you can see, this is a Alienware R10. As you can see, it's got a nice little AMD sticker up here. It's coming out. It's definitely coming out. I may have opened the box upside down, but it is what it is. I think the best thing for me to do here is flip it around. And pull the box up. Now it's upside down. Here we have the Alienware R10 in its white packaging. As you've probably already seen in other YouTube videos, the box itself advertises 1 NVMe slot, Alienware RGB, DDR4 RAM, 14 USB ports. Now, if you can find me someone that actually uses all 14 USB ports, that's pretty impressive. 2 times USB-C, CPU. That looks like it says water cooling, but I didn't really get water cooling, so I'm not sure why it says that. Let's just zoom in here and see. Does anybody know what that means? That looks like water cooling. I guess it's water cooling available. But I'm gonna open up the box. Maybe they did accidentally hook me up with some water cooling. Inside we have some more packaging. It says Dell right here. No keyboard and mouse because Dell's super cheap apparently. And I opted out on paying for the keyboard and mouse. At least we got a power cable. That's nice. Warranty, safety, and regulatory information. Let's close that up. Dell right here. Now, the PC itself, quite clean if you ask me. Quite clean indeed. That's how it looks packaged all nicely. I'm gonna pull it out. Get rid of some of this packaging. And show you exactly what it looks like. as you unbox. Power cable. Take out the lid. Honestly, it's pretty dusty. Like, I don't know if you can see this, but there's quite a lot of dust right here in this area. You should be able to see all this dust. That's quite concerning, considering it's brand new. Gotta pull it out of the box here. Out of the packaging, excuse me. It is quite heavy. It is boasting a Ryzen sticker right here, which is kind of nice, if you ask me. Got the 3 front USB ports, headphone mic, and a USB-C. The power button right there. The intake fans are on the left side of the machine, thankfully. That's good for my setup. The exhaust fan is up here. Just at the top of the machine right there. I don't understand why these stickers are so difficult to remove. Before we open her up, I just want to point out that the screw right here is already the tiniest bit, I guess, damaged. But that's okay. Hopefully we'll do some good. We don't ruin it. So I'm pretty sure all I have to do now is just pull. Oh my god, that was way too quick. And this door kind of comes off here. Quite nice. As you can see, I'm peeking at an RTX 3070, which is kind of cool. There's a lot of unplugged stuff right there. I'm not sure why that is, but this is a lot messier than most other unboxings I've seen. I'm assuming that these are all power cables from the power supply right here, because I don't have a hard drive at all, so maybe they're just all extras. So I'm gonna go ahead and swing open this arm. So we can see inside here. As you can see, I don't have water cooling. That's my HyperX RAM right there. Ryzen 7 3700X and an RTX 3070. A lot of extra cables coming out here. Kind of confused about that, but I'm pretty sure they're just for extra things that I don't have right now. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.